model, 68 plate Nissan Nv400 Renault Master Se 2.3 DCI Euro 6 ULEZ compliant body, white, panel van mileage, 93,247 engine, 2,298 CCM 90-130 E6 transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Need power steering motor replacing keeps on blowing fuse. Nice, cheap simple repair, can still be driven, but steering is heavy advised not to, but up to you. Grin condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 0 former keepers, full service history, electric windows, cruise control, air con, parking sensors, EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap retail, 9,000.